Being able to reach out to your developers is an invaluable asset to having a popular API. Having blogs and forums allow back and forth communication between client-side and server-side developers, creating a community around your product. Publishing content via social media and having code available on GitHub is also a great way to accumulate followers and evangelists for your product. And even when things go wrong, developers respect a company that doesn't go into hiding, but rather openly communicates major bugs and outages so that they can respond quickly and accordingly. So as you're making your own APIs, make sure there's still a component for human communication in order to better support your users.